Hello guys. My hair is kind of messy, but I can show you what I was creating and tell you why. I was creating a shark.
So you can make the most of every Lone Star
It's not a really good shark, but I tried my best. Look at that. So powerful. No, but let me show you why I was creating. This. I spend a lot of my time doing this. I created a jellyfish. Next was a seashell. Next was a fish. Next was another fish. Next was seaweed. Next, some bubbles. And I used stretch cord. The stretch cord really helped me a lot. See, I am obsessed with Mother Nature. I have some llamas. Llama number 1, llama number 3, llama number 4. Let me redo them. Llama number 1, llama number llama number 2, llama number 3, llama number 4, llama number 5, llama number 6. And my bed is kind of messy, but I also have my plushie. I sleep with this plushie mostly. His name is Kim. Next, I have some plants that I taped here. And this is llama. No! Llama number 7! At least I gave you its name. Llama number 7, no! Okay, I am done fixing the llamas. Llama number 7, llama number 8. And this is the side. as you can see, they're sticked. I also have some others, but they're just 3 flowers. And I love this. I would like to hang this somewhere. This. I know we could do it on the TV. It would be so stylish. It's perfect. I don't know if I'm missing, but I love Mother Nature. It's just like my thing. Mother Nature is my thing. Look at all this mess I have. This is the stretch cord I did. It has blue, white, pink, light blue, and purple. They are pretty much the same. We were eating pizza. Anyways, so let me tell you the story how I got obsessed with Mother Nature. So let me show you the story how I got obsessed with Mother Nature. So basically, when I first saw Mother Nature, I was impressed. Hold on. I spent all my time making my hand dirty. Anyways, when I saw Mother Nature, I was like, Mama, what is that? Mama, Mama, Mama. And So I guess I loved Mother Nature. So my mom told me what it was. When I first saw the ocean, I was impressed how beautiful it looked, but at the same time scared. Because once my mom told me there was jellyfish, I thought the jellyfish was good. No. The jellyfish sting. They sting you. Plus, one time my mom told me that she saw a lady going far away from the sand and pretty much in the middle of the ocean. She saw a jellyfish. It was a woman though. She was like, "Ah!" So my mom went to help her. But once I heard about sharks, my mom told me that sharks can bite you. So I saw a movie, Soul Surfer. It was pretty much a very beautiful movie. Watch Soul Surfer. Oh wait, no, that's not Soul Surfer. That's Taco Bell ad. Plus, my favorite restaurant is Taco Bell. Okay. And then once I heard about everything about the ocean, pretty much I was afraid of the ocean soon. But I pretty much know I was kind of obsessed with the ocean. So that's why I got my pet Lizzie. Lizzie, come down. Lizzie, don't bite me. Lizzie, don't bite me. Here is my pet, Lizzie. She is super nice. Isn't that right, Lizzie? Isn't that right, Lizzie? Lizzie. Oh. Lizzie, stop. Lizzie. Lizzie, stop. Lizzie! Sorry, Lizzie. You deserve that. This is not real. This is fake. This is clearly fake, but I love my pet Lizzie. I treat it like it's my own pet. This is how she looks like with her mouth closed. Lizzie! Lizzie! Ah! Okay, Lizzie legit bites hard. Look at the bark she gave me. It's right here. Oh, God. See, you're grounded, Lizzie. Go back to the fridge. Anyways, you're going back to the fridge, Lizzie, about how dangerous you are.
I don't f***ing care, Kaylee.
Come on, guess what it is?
Anyways,
It's a bologna mustard sandwich.
anyways, she's really dangerous. Okay, so once I was fighting with my, so once I was doing a play fight with my brother, and then I used Lizzie as my powerful weapon, but I made my brother bleed. That is true. I am not literally telling a lie. It's true. I made my brother bleed. So my brother had to take Lizzie away. Okay, so he put him on top of the fridge, but I can literally reach there. I'm a big girl. I don't have any muscles. Anyway, so we can literally And I pretty much love plants. I want to visit like a forest because I really want to see deers. Plus, there is some deers when my mom goes to pick up my uncle. When she goes to pick up my uncle. Sorry guys, I'm just used to be saying Theo.
Oh, yes, I will.
Oh yeah? I triple down dare you.
But my parents didn't raise us to do both. If we got in trouble,
Sorry guys. Anyways, make sure to subscribe to Inquisitor Master because they're really great YouTubers. Make sure to check out their channel. Ah.
I'm gonna lick all the Oreos. You're not the boss of me.
Ow.
You're not my friend anymore.
I'm sorry.
I'm not sure if they still do this anymore, but the doctor asked my mom,
Okay, I'm sorry. Anyways.
does your mom feed you healthy food?
Anyways, so I pretty much want to visit a tree. And we literally have this beautiful painting up our wall.
Yeah, they do.
This painting, the one that says cafe or cafe. And I literally like the trees and how they did the people. So I'm really glad that I saw that cafe and those people.
I was still mad about the spanking thing, and like people themselves still expected them to follow.
So make sure to subscribe and like this video. Bye. Sorry guys, I get too crazy.